everyone should participate in the festival of democracy and exercise their vote. You have to be part of a vibrant democracy. India is known for its vibrant democracy. Let's all join together and increase the voting percentage and come in large numbers and cast your votes. I am very happy to exercise my choice.
Sir, what is the narrative like you come as a common man and you voted in auto and stood in line, waited for
No,
your turn?
everyone should, in democracy and judiciary, everyone is equal. So one has to be, it's better that one does like a common man. The auto association had requested me. They are our brothers, so I came in auto.
एमिति लेटेस्ट न्यूज गुड़िक देखिबा पई आम OD24 फास्ट न्यूज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु पाखरे थिबा बेल घंटी को बजै दियंतु कारण प्रथमे न्यूज आपण ही देखि परिबे जदि न्यूज गुड़िक भल लागुची तारे लाइक कमेंट करी निज सांग साथी को शेयर करि दियंतु।